Let me ask you one question. What if I tell you there's actually a way you can make money online without even having to leave your bed? I mean, who doesn't like the idea of chilling while the coins are rolling in? Now, I'm not talking about winning the lottery. All I'm talking about is easy ways you can make money online without having to leave the comfort of your own home. Now, let's get into it. 5 top lazy ways that you can make money online. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Online Cash Craft. Like you all know, here what I talk about is different ways that you can make money online without stress. If today is your very first time of coming across my page, thank you. And if you've been here before, you decided to come back and watch this video, thank you. So without much ado, I'm gonna take you straight and show you 5 top lazy ways that you can make money online without leaving the comfort of your own home. Now, the very first way is paid surveys. You know how you always scroll on your phone, right? What if I tell you that you can actually scroll on your phone and get paid for just giving your opinion? Yeah, there are websites like Swagbucks and Online Junkies that will actually pay you for you to partake in surveys on their platforms. Now, let me tell you that this is like getting paid for you to talk about things that you already have in mind and things that you would love to talk about. No extra effort here. All you need to do is just scroll your phone, click, and cash out. This is literally one of the easiest things. More especially if you're like me, like almost all the time on your phone. Just think, money for opinions. It doesn't get more lazy than that. Now, the second lazy way that you can get paid online is by watching videos. Now, I want you to just imagine this. You already binge watching your favorite YouTube videos. What if you get paid for doing just that? Exciting, isn't it? There are platforms that pay you to watch short clips. Platforms like Inbox Dollars. They actually pay you to watch short clips and ads on their platforms. You're already glued on your screen. Why not make some cash with that? Easy, right? And trust me, when you see those dollars roll in, you will actually feel like you're winning while being super lazy. Now, the number 3 way that you can make money being lazy is by getting cash back through your shopping. Now, I know you all love to shop. Don't you even try to deny that. But here is the lazy way to make money while doing your shopping. Sites like Rakuten and Honey pay you to shop online. Just install the extension and boom, you get paid each time you make a purchase. Now, this is like someone saying, here, take your cash back after you had made a purchase. It's like free money. You are gonna shop anyway. Might as well make a few coins while at it. The fourth top lazy way you can make money is by selling digital products. Now, this is a very lazy and genius way to make money online. Create a digital product once and sell it forever. Think about ebooks, templates, printables. All these are digital products that you can create just once and you are selling them forever. You do the work once, you upload these digital products to sites like Gumroad. Honestly, this is my favorite of all of them. The reason being that you put in the work once, you just sit back and the cash comes in. And you can actually keep making money while in your sleep. This is true lazy money making. And the fifth and last one is renting out stuff that you already own. You all probably have stuff lying around in your house that you do not use. Why not make some money renting them out? Got a car you barely drive, why not rent it out using Turo? Got camera gears or tools? Sites like Fat Llama allows you to rent them out. And you are renting all this out to people who actually need those things. You don't really need to do much. All you need is list these items on the platforms and you see the money roll in. It's so simple. Honestly, it feels good to see things that are actually collecting dust in your house, bringing in money. See fans, I told you there is no need to work hard when you can actually work smart. These are my top 5 lazy ways that you can make money online. You can literally start today, so why wait? Pick one, or you can pick all of the ones I had listed and let those money start rolling in. We all need financial freedom, and if we can get it by doing bare minimum, I mean, why not? If you liked this video, hit that thumbs up button. Share with somebody who needs this lazy method of making money. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're really about that easy money making life, drop me a comment in the comment section. Let me know which of the methods you are trying first. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next. You might want to watch the next video up there. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification so that whenever I drop a gem like this, you will be notified first. Once again, thank you.